Wow, today we're doing life-proof flooring on a staircase without the use of a stair nose? Yep, find out how today on Jones Knows.
It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free.
Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Tim. I'm a flooring and stair contractor, and today we're installing one of my favorite floors, Lifeproof vinyl. Yep, and we're doing a staircase with white risers. The kicker is we are using no stair nose. No stair nose were used in the making of this video. So without any further ado, let's hit it. So what we're doing here is bent vinyl. We've actually taken the exact board that we've used for the floor upstairs and the ones we're using on the staircase, and we've had them molded into an actual nose, so they'll lock into the board behind it. It's perfectly flush and it's the exact same color. You notice on the first landing we did use padding. It's the same padding we used upstairs to deaden the sound. Only the nose we're gluing in here. As you see, when we spread the glue, it's just for the nose, and everything behind it is actually going to remain floating. Well, if you're interested in a bent vinyl staircase of your own, we can make it happen. We sell these noses just like this. We can either buy the floor you're going to use on your staircase, or you can ship us the floor and we can send it back to you bent and molded for your staircase. Prices start at $50 a step, including material. Our information is in the beginning of every video. A really important step when you're doing any kind of vinyl on a staircase is to remove all the padding from the back of your flooring, no matter what. So the first thing we're going to do here is use an oscillator with a scraping blade, and we're going to scrape off the main piece of padding. But we're not done yet. From there, we're going to take a sander on our same oscillator, which turns out to be pretty handy. We're going to put a sanding pad on it, and then we're going to sand off any residue. And now we can install our stairs. Alright, so we're going to squeeze a generous amount of glue out onto the step. And when we put the nosing, as we'll call it, down, we don't want to push it all the way down into the glue so that it goes over the locking system. That's going to cause some squeeze out. It's going to get in the way and cause us problems when we're trying to lock the boards together. So kind of keep it elevated ever so slight until we get it locked together all the way. These boards, of course, have all the padding removed from the back, scraped, sanded like we showed. Now you see, once we put it in, there's your mallet. Once we lock it together, then we don't have to worry about it squeezing through the locking system, and then and only then can we then push it down into the glue. Little trick we came up with by placing the board behind it, we're able to wedge it in behind the cut piece in the back, and then we can hit it with our mallet and tap the joint closed. Otherwise, we can't hit that board without it moving around. And then once that's in, then we can hit it down into the glue all the way. But you see, by working your way from top to bottom, you put that riser on top of the cut edge, it hides it, and then the next step will then hide the top edge of the riser. As far as cutting, you don't have to make anything perfect this way. All of our steps are pre-numbered because they do vary ever so slightly in size. We put tape and number them. Now, the key to successfully connecting your upstairs to your stairs is to start at your stairs. We need to lock our floor into the top nose so it just looks like the floor is overflowing onto the stairs. And that is all there is to it. Another amazing project complete. I love these bent vinyl staircases because there's no need to introduce that separate overlapping type of nosing to the front of the step that's not made from the flooring material. If you're buying the flooring, you're not buying the stair nose. So why use anything but the flooring on your steps? Wow, I think the results speak for themselves. You can't get any better than that. You got the Lifeproof flooring, you got the flush steps, you got no moving parts. It's all one, basically two pieces where we lock it together, but it is seamless and no stair nose were used. But if you're new to the channel, we could use your help. YouTube doesn't promote our videos as much as they should, so please like, share, tell your friends and family. And of course, if you already haven't, take out your favorite floor and mallet and smash that subscribe button. so you don't miss any future content. Thanks for watching.